Good morning to everyone. Friends, today in this video I have given most interesting GK question and answer about animals. First question: which is the largest animal in the world? Answer: blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. For your kind information, blue whale is about 100 feet long and 200 tons in weight. Its heart is as big as a car. Blue whale is not a fish, they are mammal because they give not lay eggs. Second question: which animal dies after drinking water? Answer: kangaroo rat. For your kind information, this kind of animal is found in southwestern part of North America. Third question: which sea animal's blood is blue in color? Answer: octopus. Octopus blood is blue because it contains a protein called harmocyanin. Fourth question: which insect can live without its head for a week? Answer: cockroach. Fifth question: which animal cannot physically see towards the sky? Answer: pigs. Sixth question: which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer: hummingbird. Hummingbird is approximately 5 centimeters in total length and its weight is less than 2.0 gram. Seventh question: which is the only bird that can fly backwards? Answer: hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world and also only bird that can fly backwards. Eighth question: which is the largest bird in the world? Answer: ostrich. The height of a female ostrich is about 2.1 meter to 2.8 meter and its weight is about 120 kg. And the height of female ostrich is about 1.7 meter to 2 meters and its weight is about 100 kgs. For your kind information, ostrich lays the largest egg in the world. Ostrich egg is normally 1.4 kg in weight. Let's go to the next question. Ninth question: which animal has 3 eyes? Answer: Chutora. Chutora is a lizard like reptile which can be found in New Zealand. 10th question: which animal has 3 arms? Answer: octopus. For your kind information, octopus is 8-footed sea animal and octopus has a 9 brains. 7th question: what kind of creature is that which dies after giving birth to a baby? Answer: scorpion. 12th question: which animal can see even with its closed eyes? Answer: camel. Camel can live without water for a week. 13th question: which bird cannot fly? Answer: ostrich. Not only ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguins, all of these birds also cannot fly. 14th question: which bird has no wings? Answer: kiwi. Kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. 15th question: which animal gives both milk and eggs? Answer: duck-billed platypus. This type of mammal is found in Australia. 16th question: which animal cannot walk backwards? Answer: kangaroo. For your kind information, kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. 17th question: name the only mammal that flies. Answer: bat. 18th question: Which bird can rotate its head 360 degrees? Answer: owl. 19th question. What kind of creature is that which tastes with its feet? Answer: butterfly. 20th question. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? Answer: snails. 21st question. How many teeth does a mosquito have? Answer: 47. 22 question. Which animal cannot jump? Answer: elephant. 23rd question. Which is the tallest animal on earth? Answer: giraffes. Male giraffes can grow up to 18 feet while female giraffes can reach 14 feet tall. For your kind information, giraffe has no vocal cord, that's why it does not make any sound at all. And remember friends, giraffes can live without water longer than a camel. Giraffes can survive without drinking water for 3 weeks. 24th question. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Answer: stonefish. 25th question. Which animal gives birth to a child despite being a male? Answer: seahorse. 26th question. Which animal may have stopped breathing for 6 days? Answer: scorpion. 27th question. Which is the only snake that builds a nest? Answer: king cobra. 28th question. Which bird does not make nest? Answer: cuckoo. 29th question. Which bird only drinks rainwater? Answer: pied-crested cuckoo. Question number 30. Which part of the brain eliminates fear of man forever? Answer: amygdala. Question number 31. Which part of human body does not grow from birth to child, stays in same size? Answer: eyeball. Question number 32. What is the creature that never sleeps? Answer: ant. Bullfrogs also another creature that never sleeps. Question number 33. Which is the longest insect in the world? Answer: stick insect. Question number 34. Which animal cries like human after being injured? Answer: bear. Question number 35. Which animal's sweat color is pink? Answer: hippopotamus. For kind information, there is reddish orange pigments are present in the skin of hippopotamus. Therefore, hippopotamus secretes a reddish oily fluid from special glands in their skin. Question number 36. Which creature has no eyes? Answer: earthworm. Question number 37. Which animal can digest a iron nail? Answer: crocodile. And final and last question, 38th question. Which animal never dies? It's very interesting GK. Answer: Turritopsis dohrnii, which is also known as the immortal jellyfish. Okay, today totally discuss 38 interesting GK questions about animal. Thank you so much, and don't forget subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. My thanks to everyone.